Hello everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back. This is Jackie White, Sweet Dreams Travel Agency, where we help you have extraordinary travel experiences. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about what I do for carry-on luggage. So let's begin. So one of the things I love to do is have packing cubes. So of course I do have my main items in my actual checked baggage, but you can never be too safe about getting your checked baggage. So here's the first one, and in this cube I actually carry my bathing suit, and then of course in the bottom of the luggage I always pack, and in this bag I have all of my shoes that I'm gonna have for the trip. So I make sure I keep them all together and organized. And this of course goes at the bottom of the luggage. And then usually I have my bag for my bathing suit right on top. And then of course the other thing I have is a little small packing cube here of my toiletries. I do have a main toiletry bag, but I like to carry a small one just in case, like I said, your luggage doesn't arrive with you. And in this one, I have my toothbrush, toothpaste, and I highly recommend some form of enclosure for your toothbrush. I also carry with me, because I have my bathing suit, my handy dandy swim cap. So I'll carry that with me as well. I'll also carry a little small bottle of lotion, as well as some Tylenol for just in case. And of course I usually get some water while I'm there in the airport. So that's my little toiletry bag. I also have another wonderful cube which I keep in all of my jewelry that I keep with me, and I've been interchanging it out, so please excuse the mess. But it has, I love this bag because it has an area for your earrings, your bracelets, and of course for your longer necklaces. And then of course the other thing I always carry, because I'm usually wearing my heavier shoes, so I usually wear my tennis shoes, is socks. So I have a bag directly for socks. And then on the other side, I actually carry some of my shorts and t-shirts in the larger one, and a dress or two, just in case, like I said, your luggage doesn't arrive with you. So I keep that in this, in the biggest one, and I usually put that one on the other side. I also carry with me my backpack that I love. So in here I have, of course, because I had to have it with me, my laptop, and I also have, of course, the travel mouse for it. I also highly recommend carrying a small, this is a bigger one for me, medical bag for band-aids or anything like that with you. Also in the backpack I carry wet ones, flushable wipes, and these little packets for my screen. I also have here a lovely little pouch that you can have some ID in. I keep my change in this, and it's usually around my neck. I also keep little small things like an extra pin or something like in this one. Also I carry, just to make sure I have it, now in this bag, this is a smaller one for your charger. I have my main charger bag that I do check underneath, and I have in here, of course, my power brick for my laptop, another charger. That's very important. carry extra chargers just in case where you're located you don't have access to a plug to charge your phone. So I usually keep that in there. I also carry with me a little plastic bag, and I keep in here some hand soap and some additional lotions. And one thing I also like to keep with me, this wonderful little thing here, and guess what it is? Now I don't know about you, but when I'm on an airplane, I like to put my feet up. So this is a wonderful concept. So what you do is, this hooks over top of the tray that's in front of you when it's up, and then has a nice little area, as you can see, just to put your feet in. I usually take my shoes off, and I don't want to put my feet on the floor, so my feet will go in this. And that's basically what I always say and highly recommend to carry, just in case your luggage doesn't make it. I also always write my name and my email information inside of my luggage, just in case. So I hope this helps you pack and organize your carry-on luggage, and I'll see you in the next video.